Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover References menu. Let's begin. There are 6 sections. First section is Table of Contents. Second section is Footnotes. Third section is Citations and Bibliography. Fourth section is Captions. Fifth section is Index. Sixth section is Table of Authorities. Let's begin with first section. That is, Table of Contents. We can add Table of Contents from built-in list. More Table of Contents from office.com. Custom Table of Contents. Remove Table of Contents. And save selection to Table of Contents Gallery. In Table of Content we can add text. With options. Do not show in Table of Contents, Level 1, Level 2, Level 3. Also, we can update Table of Contents. Next section is Footnotes. We can insert footnote. We can insert endnote. We can navigate to next footnote, previous footnote, next endnote and previous endnote. Also, we can show notes. Under More Options, we can set footnotes location. That is bottom of page and below text. We can set endnotes location. That is end of section and end of document. Under Convert, we can convert all footnotes to endnotes. Convert all endnotes to footnotes. Swap footnotes and endnotes. Under Footnote Layout, options for columns are: Match selection layout, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column and 4 column. Under Format section, we can set number format. From the list, we can add custom mark using symbols. We can set starting value for numbering. And numbering options are: Continuous, restart each section and restart each page. We can apply changes to selected text and whole document. Next section is Citations and Bibliography. We can insert citation. Options: add new source and add new placeholder. We can manage our sources. We can set style. From the list, we can add bibliography. From built-in list, we can insert bibliography. And save selection to Bibliography Gallery. Next section is Captions. We can insert captions. Insert Table of Figures. Update Table of Figures. And add cross-references, which is also available under Links section under Insert menu. Next section is Index. We can mark entry, insert index, and update index. Next section is Table of Authorities. We can mark citation, insert Table of Authorities, and update Table of Authorities. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Word interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.